Hi, welcome to KK Solution. It's me, Mohammed KK, and today we're diving headfirst into the world of AI. In today's digital age, artificial intelligence is shaping our world, and there are some seriously amazing AI websites that can simplify our lives, not complicate them. Whether you're looking to boost productivity, unleash your inner creative genius, or simply have some fun, these websites can do it all. So, are you ready to discover 10 amazing AI websites that can change the way you work and play? Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. First up is ChatGPT, and if you haven't heard of this one yet, you're seriously missing out. This AI language model is like having a conversation with, well, a really smart computer. Need help brainstorming ideas for your next video? Just ask ChatGPT. Want to draft an email or even write a story, but you're stuck staring at that blinking cursor? ChatGPT is here to assist. Think of it as having a writing buddy, but this buddy is available 24/7, never sleeps, and never judges your grammar. No, seriously, this thing can help you put your thoughts into words, generate different writing styles, and even translate languages. It's like having a super-powered thesaurus that can actually write entire paragraphs for you. It's a game changer for anyone who writes, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who likes to share their thoughts online. And who knows, maybe one day ChatGPT will be writing these scripts for me, just kidding. Unless... Next on our list is DALL-E, and this one is straight out of a sci-fi movie. DALL-E is another AI masterpiece from the brilliant minds at OpenAI, the same team behind ChatGPT, and it creates images from text descriptions. You heard that right, you literally type in what you want to see, and DALL-E brings it to life. Want a picture of a cat wearing sunglasses while riding a skateboard on the moon? DALL-E can make it happen. It's like having your own personal digital artist who can create anything you can imagine. The more detailed and outlandish your descriptions, the more interesting the results. You can even specify artistic styles like realistic, watercolor, or even in the style of Picasso. So go ahead, unleash your inner child and see what mind-blowing images you can create with DALL-E. Coming in at number 3 is Copy.ai, and this one is a lifesaver if you've ever stared at a blank page with that dreaded feeling of writer's block. This AI-powered writing assistant is like having a team of copywriters at your fingertips, ready to generate marketing copy, blog posts, social media content, and more, all in a matter of seconds. No more spending hours agonizing over the perfect headline or struggling to come up with engaging Instagram captions. Copy.ai takes the pain out of writing by providing you with ideas, structure, and even different tones of voice to choose from. Need to optimize your product descriptions for your online store? Copy.ai can help you craft compelling copy that converts browsers into buyers. It's like having a secret weapon in your marketing arsenal, helping you create high-quality content that gets results. So ditch the writer's block, and let Copy.ai unleash your inner wordsmith. Chapter 4. Canva Design Like a Pro, even if you're not. Our fourth website is Canva, and while it's not a newcomer to the design scene, it's recently upped its game with some seriously impressive AI features. Creating social media posts, presentations, invitations, or even infographics has never been this straightforward. Canva's drag-and-drop interface was already user-friendly, but with the addition of AI-powered design suggestions, it's like having a virtual design assistant guiding you every step of the way. Choose from a library of templates or start from scratch and let Canva's AI suggest color palettes, font pairings, and even image layouts that perfectly complement your vision. Want to create a cohesive brand identity across all your platforms? Canva's AI can help you generate a brand kit with consistent colors, fonts, and logos, so you always look professional and put together. Chapter 5. Grammarly, your AI proofreader and writing coach. Fifth on our list is Grammarly, and if you're anything like me, you probably have a love-hate relationship with grammar. On the one hand, we all want our writing to be clear, concise, and error-free. On the other hand, who has time to memorize every single grammar rule or spend hours proofreading their own work? That's where Grammarly comes in. This AI-powered writing assistant is like having a personal proofreader and writing coach all rolled into one. Whether you're drafting an important email, writing a research paper, or even just composing a casual social media post, Grammarly is there to catch those pesky typos, grammatical errors, and punctuation mishaps. And the best part is, Grammarly integrates seamlessly with all your favorite apps and platforms, so you can use it everywhere you write, from your web browser to your email client to your smartphone. Chapter 6. Otter.ai never miss a word with this AI meeting assistant. Our sixth pick is Otter.ai, and this one is a game changer for anyone who spends a lot of time in meetings, lectures, or interviews. Otter.ai is an AI-powered transcription tool that takes the pain out of note-taking, allowing you to focus on what's being said instead of frantically scribbling down every word. Otter.ai eliminates this problem by transcribing speech into text in real time, so you can stay present in the moment and review the details later. It's like having a personal assistant taking minutes for you, but without the awkward silence when you ask them to repeat what was just said. Otter.ai is incredibly accurate even in challenging acoustic environments, and it can even identify different speakers, so you know who said what. Chapter 7. Lumen 5. Turn text into videos like magic. Seventh on our list is Lumen 5, and this one is a lifesaver for content creators, marketers, and anyone who wants to create engaging video content without the hassle of traditional video editing. Lumen 5 is an AI-powered video creation platform that makes it incredibly easy to turn text-based content, like blog posts, articles, or even social media updates, into stunning videos. Lumen 5 eliminates those barriers by automating the video creation process. Simply paste your text into Lumen 5, and its AI will analyze the content and generate a video storyboard, complete with visuals, music, and even transitions. You can then customize the video to your liking, choosing from a library of templates, stock footage, and music tracks, or even upload your own assets. Lumen 5's intuitive interface and AI-powered features guide you through the process, making video creation accessible to everyone. Chapter 8. Runway, your AI-powered video editing toolkit. Eighth on our list is Runway, and this one is for all the video editors and content creators out there who want to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Runway is a creative suite that brings the power of artificial intelligence to video editing, offering a range of tools that simplify complex tasks and unlock new creative possibilities. Imagine being able to remove the background from a video with just a few clicks, generate realistic animations from still images, or even apply unique color grades and visual effects that would normally require specialized software and years of experience. One of Runway's most impressive features is its green screen tool, which allows you to easily remove the background from a video without the need for a physical green screen. Another standout feature is Runway's style transfer tool, which lets you apply the artistic style of famous paintings or photographs to your videos, creating visually stunning and unique effects. Chapter 9. Aiva AI. Compose music like a pro, no experience required. Our ninth website is Aiva AI, and this one is for all the musicians, filmmakers, game developers, and anyone who needs high-quality music without breaking the bank or spending years mastering an instrument. Aiva AI stands for Artificial Intelligence Virtual Artist, and it's essentially an AI-powered music composer that can create original music tracks in a variety of genres and styles. Whether you need a background score for your video project, a jingle for your latest marketing campaign, or even just some atmospheric music to set the mood, Aiva AI has got you covered. Simply choose from a range of predefined styles, like classical, jazz, electronic, or even video game soundtracks, and Aiva AI will generate a unique and royalty-free music track based on your selections. You can then customize the track further, adjusting the tempo, instrumentation, and even the overall mood to perfectly match your project. Chapter 10. Pexels. Find the perfect visuals, with a little help from AI. Finally, at number 10 we have Pexels, and while it's not strictly an AI website, it uses artificial intelligence in some pretty clever ways to enhance the user experience and make it easier than ever to find the perfect visuals for your projects. Pexels is best known for its vast library of free stock photos and videos, offering a treasure trove of high-quality visuals for everything from websites and presentations to social media posts and printed materials. Instead of scrolling through endless pages of search results, Pexels AI analyzes your search terms and uses machine learning to understand the context and intent behind your query. This means you get more relevant results faster, saving you time and effort. So there you have it. 10 amazing AI websites that can elevate your productivity, creativity, and overall online experience. From writing assistants and image generators to video editors and music composers, these tools are changing the way we work, create, and interact with the digital world. Which website are you most excited about trying out? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to tell us about any hidden AI gems you've discovered. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.